Hey there, home cooks! Today I'm going to show you how to whip up some delicious sweet and sour pork right in your own kitchen. This dish is all about getting that perfect balance of crispy pork and a tangy, vibrant sauce. Ready? Let's get cooking. First up, we've got the pork. Take 1 pound of pork shoulder or loin cut into bite-sized cubes. Season with a bit of salt and pepper. Now, in a shallow bowl, mix 1/2 cup of cornstarch and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Dip each pork piece into a beaten egg, then coat it in your cornstarch flour mix. Next, heat up some vegetable oil in a deep skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Fry the pork in batches until golden brown and crispy, about 4-5 minutes. Drain on a wire rack or paper towels to keep that crunch. Now let's make the sauce. In a small bowl, mix 1/3 cup ketchup, 1/4 cup rice vinegar or white vinegar, 1/4 cup sugar, and 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Heat this mixture in a saucepan over medium heat until it starts to simmer. Add a cornstarch slurry made of 1 tablespoon cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons water. Stir until thickened, then set aside. Onto the veggies. In a wok or large skillet, heat 1-2 tablespoons of oil over medium-high heat. Stir-fry 1 diced red bell pepper, 1 diced green bell pepper, 1 diced yellow bell pepper, and a small onion cut into chunks. Add 1/2 cup pineapple chunks and stir-fry for 2-3 minutes until slightly tender but still crisp. Finally, combine everything. Add your fried pork to the wok with the veggies. Pour that delicious sweet and sour sauce over the top. Toss everything together until evenly coated. Serve hot with steamed rice and maybe a sprinkle of sesame seeds or green onions. There you have it, sweet and sour pork that's crispy, tangy, and absolutely mouth-watering. Enjoy your cooking, folks, and see you next time.